driving in Junior TKM for about 3 years now, winning the British Championship. I chose Junior TKM because of the close racing and because it's cheaper.
I found it a lot easier to be able to manage the equipment and do a lot of the stuff with the engine myself. Even though we did have an engine tuner, it was relatively easy to do myself. And we thoroughly enjoyed the close competition that you get from Junior TKM.
Started in cadets, I moved up to juniors and I chose a tag class. It's very simple, just push your button and it always gets me to the end of the race.
The tag engine, it suits us because as a parent we don't often have time to work on these engines. It's sealed engines, we can't work on them, and it's fine for us to free up time to make sure we can get these kids out karting.